My name is Anish and this is Ritika, my wife.
Hi.
We have booked a flat in Ganga Legend, a property by Goel Ganga. This is one of the best properties by Goel Ganga so far, and we have selected the flat in B1. The flat number is 2108. So one of the few reasons why I selected Goel Ganga as the builder as my first property is because the builder is a reputed one in Pune, and they have a reputation of building iconic properties. They have built excellent properties in Pune so far, and there are plenty other reasons why we booked this flat. My wife would like to
Hi. So one of the important things why we liked this property is because of the way in which it is constructed. The quality of construction is excellent, and the work that has been done inside the flat in terms of amenities and all the toiletries and various other switchboards or be it anything that they've used is really excellent, because it is something which is actually luxurious, and it was my dream, rather it was our dream, to own a flat in one of the upper floors, and we've been able to fulfill that as we've bought a 2 BHK with 2 terraces on the 21st floor. So we have not had any complaints when it comes to the builder or their team or the way in which they work. Of course, the nitty-gritties and the small things do happen in every walk of life with whomever you meet, but it all depends on how the opposite person or the team takes care of it. So we are really very happy because they promised us with the possession date of the 25th, and they've lived by that promise, and whatever we have wanted inside the house as per our specifications, they've done it. And the USP of this project is the skywalk which they have above the 23rd floor, which is something that we are hearing for the first time, and we're really keen to use it. And apart from that, they have so many other amenities and facilities inside the society that you will not need to go out. Even when it comes to your children, you have so many green spaces and so many play areas. So I think there shouldn't be any reason why you shouldn't love this particular project, this particular property and this particular builder. So we would like to say a big thank you to Goel Ganga.
thank you.